Canon is on a roll with announcing new cameras every other month. But two cameras particularly caught our attention: Canon EOS R6 Mark II and EOS R8. Both of these cameras have a lot to offer, but they differ in some key areas. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at their features, capabilities, and overall performance to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. Be sure to stick around and find out which camera comes out on top. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II boasts a sleek and sturdy design that is both lightweight and weather-resistant. Made with a combination of magnesium alloy and polycarbonate resin, it is both durable and lightweight. The camera has been built to withstand the elements thanks to its weather-sealed construction that protects it from dust and moisture. The built-in grip provides a secure and comfortable hold, and the camera features an ergonomic design with easily accessible buttons and controls. The 3.0-inch fully articulated touchscreen makes composing shots from various angles easy, and the high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder provides a clear and bright view of the scene. Additionally, you have the option to add two compatible SD cards with the dual UHS 2 slots. On the other hand, the EOS R8's body is almost identical to the EOS RP's, which is easy to use. It has two control dials that are well positioned for comfortable shooting, but it has fewer direct control points than the EOS R6 II and no joystick. Canon says it's designed to resist dust and water, but it's not as sturdy as the EOS 6D II and is made of plastic. The vari-angle 3-inch LCD touchscreen also allows you to adjust your shot from any angle. However, it only has one SD card slot. It's located in the battery compartment, and it doesn't have an accessory battery grip option, but it's compatible with the EOS RP's grip extender. The R6 Mark II has more features, which makes it a bit heavier and bulkier. However, both cameras are comfortable to hold and do not feel heavy or burdensome. Design-wise, they don't feel cheap either. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a top-of-the-line mirrorless camera that boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor. The sensor is paired with a powerful Digic X image processor, which delivers exceptional image quality and accurate color reproduction. The camera also features a dual-pixel CMOS AF system, providing fast and precise focusing on both stills and videos. Regarding video capabilities, the R6 Mark II can record 4K at 60 FPS video with 10-bit 422 color depth and supports Canon Log for enhanced dynamic range. It also has in-body image stabilization to ensure smooth and steady footage, even when shooting without a tripod. Furthermore, the EOS R6 Mark II has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to share your photos and videos and remotely control the camera using your smart device. In contrast, the EOS R8 is a mirrorless camera with a full-frame 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic X processor that offers versatility and power for both still photography and videography. It can capture 4K 60p 10-bit video and full-width 4K 60p video over sampled from 6K, which is great for high-quality video content creation. It can also support 422 10-bit recording at 30 FPS for longer projects. The EOS R8 is designed to be fast and responsive with a continuous shooting speed of up to 40 FPS. And it has the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system that offers 1,053 autofocus points, providing fast and accurate autofocus that covers the entire sensor. The digital image stabilization for movie mode helps to reduce camera shake, ensuring smooth and stable footage. All in all, Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Canon EOS R8 both feature the same camera with almost similar levels of video capability. No matter what camera you choose, you'll get the same result, except for the stabilization. If you heavily depend on the IBIS, EOS R8 is probably not for you. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is equipped with a dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system that uses phase detection pixels on the sensor to achieve fast and precise focusing, even when tracking moving subjects. Additionally, its dual-pixel RAW feature allows for fine adjustments to be made to the focus point, bokeh, and other image elements after the image has been captured. The camera also has a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that helps reduce camera shake and produce sharp images, even when shooting at slow shutter speeds. With the ability to shoot up to 20 FPS with full autofocus and exposure tracking, the R6 Mark II is ideal for capturing fast-paced action. The buttons and menus can be customized to suit your personal preferences, making it easier to access the features you use most frequently. And if we take a look at the Canon EOS R8, it includes HDR PQ and Canon Log 3, making it easier to achieve professional quality results. Its 8-bit video modes can also be shot on relatively affordable U3 class SD cards. You'll need a more expensive V60 rated card for 10-bit C-Log 3 or HDR PQ capture. EOS R8 is also equipped with a vertical movie mode, perfect for those looking to create content for social media. R8 supports full HD live streaming, so you can easily share your content with the world. The variety of inputs, including USB-C, micro HDMI, microphone input, and headphone jack, provide the versatility you need to connect your camera to a range of accessories. The camera also has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, making it easy to transfer your photos and videos, while the multi-function hot shoe allows you to add additional accessories. Feature-wise, Canon EOS R6 II knocks it out of the park. EOS R8 is capable enough to mimic the video quality of the R6 II, but considering the codec, I/O ports, and other connectivity, EOS R8 falls short. If you've watched this video so far without skipping, you may notice that the Canon EOS R8 has taken many features from the R6 Mark II. Canon did this to provide something valuable from the superior model, while filling the budget price segment. The EOS R8 offers improved image quality, video capabilities, and an advanced autofocus system from the R6 Mark II, with the only major difference being the absence of built-in image stabilization. At $1,499, this is a great deal. Anyone looking for a more professional hybrid camera should go for the Canon R6 Mark II, priced at $2,499. Otherwise, the EOS R8 is the wisest choice, in our opinion. So what do you think about Canon's latest camera lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you like our videos, please consider subscribing.